I welcome you to Mogora Cosmic. We are happy to introduce our new welding training kit, that is Welding Simulator, and the model is MAWS03. What does this Welding Simulator do? It creates a similar environment of welding without actual welding. Then how it helps you? It helps in training of 3 different welding processes like MIG, TIG and MMA. Also, the welder or the trainee can train at different positional welding without any consumables and with a very negligible power consumption. The welder also upgrade their welding skill. The HR can check out the eligibility of the welder. With the help of this, you can maintain the trainee's welding record for analysis also. Let us go to the operation. Open the MWT software as administrator, and we have a trainee over here who will throw the welding process. Now we can even operate the panel from a longer distance as we have a wireless operating system. Go to the open login as instructor, then put your login ID and password. Press make photo button so that you can click the photo of the trainee. Once you fill the name and surname of the trainee, then you save it and go for the welding parameter selection in MWT. Here you can select different welding processes from torch type drop down list, that is MMA, TIG and MIG. Also you can select type and orientation of the working sample for positional welding. Select the job, select the exercise, give the exercise name, select how much time you want to perform the training for a particular job, and select the number of repetition for the training, set the arc length and stick out, set angle X and angle Y, set welding speed. Then for checking all these things, whether the torch is working fine or not, you can switch the PWM button just below. Switch on the PWM button, which you can find at the bottom of the screen. When it turns to green, start welding. You can start moving the torch without performing the welding. Just move the torch so that even you can find a variation in angle X and angle Y in your screen. Then your torch is working fine. Now save the parameters, and now let the trainee log in into the system. Now the trainee login system, there is no password for the trainee. Just you can put the name, surname and start welding. Here the trainee cannot change the welding parameter. Only he can select the exercise. He can't change the torch type, he can't change the plate type. As we have preloaded exercises, then we can go for different exercises to perform the weld. The software will take 10 seconds to start the arc. After hearing a beep sound, you can go for the welding. You can see on the screen on the graph, the welding arc length is performing, the angle X and angle Y is working, even the welding speed, that is the bar coming, that is also working. When I have stated a welding arc length of 2 mm to 4 mm over here, we are demonstrating MIG welding process. You can see the arc variation in the graph, as we have set it at 2 to 4 of arc length of stick out. So the welder should perform within that region. One is red, another is yellow, another is green. Red is for out of the welding speed zone, which we have stated. Yellow is for just average welding speed. Green is for a good welding. Now we are performing MMA welding with this. You can find the same parameter valuations in the screen also.
Shorter.
Here we have a report generated of the welder. Now save the report and it will generate a Microsoft Word based document for your analysis. Let us save the document. And here the report is generated. Now here you can see the detailed welding report of the training. The welding speed, the arc length, the angle X, angle Y, date, time, name, photograph, and the footnote also. You can put some comments on the footnote whether the welder needs to improve something, whether he is qualified or disqualified. You can put in the note. And after that, you save the document. You can also have a printout of this. In the whole welding process, you can see that we didn't use any gas, any electrode, any filler wire, any MIG wire, any torch tip consumable. Nothing is used. You perform 3 different welding machine jobs on a single simulator. You perform MIG welding, you perform TIG welding, you perform MMA welding. So there is a huge saving in this simulator. When you are purchasing a simulator, you are purchasing a very free solution for the training, for the skill upgradation, for the interview of the candidate, for eligibility criteria detection. This is our presence in India. Thank you for watching this video. For more details, you can visit our website www.mogora.com. Thank you once.